In this video, I will show you how to buy fractional shares on interactive brokers. To do this, what you want to do is open up interactive brokers and then just click on the search bar and find whatever you want to buy. For example, if I want to buy a Google stock, I can just go and search for it. From there, just select whichever one you want to buy. And once you have opened up the instrument you want to buy, this can be a stock or ETF, what you then want to do is just click on buy. Now here you'll see you have the quantity, so this is the amount of stock that you want to buy, so the standard here is 100 shares. You can also go by USD. So for example, if I currently have 10 euros in my account and I want to buy $5 worth of stock, obviously that is not an entire share of Google, so if I just enter 5, you can see that 0.0197 shares. Then here you can set the order type to limit, mid-price, market, or any one of these other ones. For this example, I'll just set it to market. Then you can set the other settings that you want. From there, you can then click buy order. And from there, you can click accept. And now you can see my order is pending to buy $5 worth of Google at market price. So that means that I have bought a small fraction of a share of Google, and that is how you can do it. Now my order is pending, the market hasn't opened yet, but once it opens, then it will go through. So now you know how you can buy fractional shares on interactive brokers. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.